Hi, welcome to the Tech Repack online training. We do provide training on application packaging using Admin Studio and Microsoft Applet. With the latest versions, there's Admin Studio 2015 and Microsoft Applet 5.1. Also provide training on Microsoft SCCM 2012. In this session, we are going to learn how to convert API 4.6 packages to API 5.1 packages. Okay. Now let's see, in order to have this, we need to have API 5.1 sequencer is installed and API converter, API package converter is loaded. So these are the two requirements that is as a prerequisite for the machine to have it for converting 4.6 packages to the 5.1. So let me show you here. I have my machine. Okay, I'm already having API 5.1 sequencer is installed. Now let's look at whether I have a API converter is already loaded or not. To check for this, get hyphen module and list available, which is going to give you the details of the modules which are already loaded inside this machine. Look at here, API package converter. This is one of the module. It's already loaded on this machine, and there are two commands basically comes from this module, that is convert API package and test API package. Okay, so now we have the requirement on this machine. So we should have an API 4.6 package with us. So right now I have a package on my desktop. So what I have to do is I want to convert this into the API 5.0. Okay, let me also create a folder called API 5.0. Sorry, 5.1, whatever. Once the package is converted, I want to keep it inside this folder. So that's where I created a folder on my desktop now. So in order to convert 4.6 packages, first of all, you have to verify, you have to test it. You have to test this API package. Okay, whether the 4.6 package is compatible with API 5.1 environment or not. Okay, so this is something going to be found with the help of this command, and once this is done, if it comes to know that it is compatible, then you have to convert API package. So this is simple. We have only two steps. One is test and other one is convert. So let's do it. First test API package, then it's going to ask you the source path. Where is that you have the 4.6 packages located? Now I have a package here. Take a path of this and paste it. Then click enter. It comes up with the detailed information. Do you have any warnings? No. Do we have any errors? No. And the information what it says, this package really do not have any major errors or warnings, and it says that it's a good candidate for converting this package for the 5.1 environment. So it means it is compatible. You can convert this package. Okay, so what is the next? The command you have here is happy convert. So it's a convert from happy package. And where is the source you have? I'm converting this same package. Okay, and what is the destination you want to provide here? It has to auto populate, yes. Now let's give a location of this. I already created a folder. I want to create this package into here. Let's click enter. So now it's converting. You look at. It may take time. It depends on the size of the application. Okay, it looks like it is done. Let's go and verify. Yes. Now if you look at, we know that the files what we get from the appy 5.1, that's a appy file and MSI file and configuration files. Okay. Now we got it. So this is how we have to convert it. And now in fact this is something we are doing it manually if we have only one or two packages. Let's assume it in real-time scenario we have hundreds of packages, so we do not need to run the same command for all 100 individual packages. So you can keep all the packages in one folder and give that folder as an input for the same command, and it is going to convert all bunch of packages and give you the output. Let me.
Thanks for watching this video.